Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to share YouTube video summaries on Telegram using AI agent. So I am a manager of an educational YouTube channel on which we very regularly post videos related to different topics. Now over here my objective is that as soon as a new video is going to be published, I want to share it with my Telegram audience, a summary of it with the link of the video. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new video is going to be published on my YouTube channel, automatically first we are going to transcribe the video using Happy Scribe. As the transcription is going to be generated of the video, automatically an AI agent is going to generate the summary of the transcription of our video. As the summary is going to be generated, automatically a message is going to be forwarded on my Telegram channel with the link of the video that has been uploaded. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI agent for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to share YouTube video summaries on Telegram using AI agent. So as a manager of an educational YouTube channel, I consistently upload videos that help students to understand various academic topics. I use YouTube to share these educational lessons, and then I rely on an AI agent that automatically fetches the transcription with the help of Happy Scribe and format it in a summary. As soon as a summary is generated, finally I use that AI agent to automatically share that summary on my Telegram channel to my audience directly. The streamlined process helps students to quickly grasp key concepts and stay updated with our content. And we are going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. Then Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you, and to create a new AI agent in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner. This window is going to appear in front of you, which is firstly asking for the workflow name, which is going to be AI agent to share YouTube video summaries on Telegram. This is the name of my workflow. For the folder on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created these many folders, from which I'm going to select this AI agents folder. And then I'm going to click on this create button to create a new workflow. A workflow has been created in my Pabbly Connect account, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. That means, what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as YouTube. I'm selecting my trigger application as YouTube because as soon as a new video is going to be uploaded on my YouTube channel, I want the trigger over here should capture the response of that. Okay, that is why for my trigger application, I'm going to select it as YouTube, and the trigger event over here is going to be new video and channel with video URL. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this connect with YouTube button right here. This window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for me to choose an account. In which account have we created our YouTube channel? So this is the account right over here, which I'm going to select. Then it is asking for the permission for this account. For that, I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button right here. And as I've done that, you can see I've successfully authorized YouTube to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, firstly, it is asking for us to select the channel ID. I have created a dummy channel right now, which is in the name of test channel. You can see right over here. So for my channel ID, I'm going to select it as test channel right here. Okay. After selecting the channel ID, you can see it says save and send test request. As soon as I'm going to click on the button, the last video that was published on my YouTube channel is going to be captured in this response right here. This is the last video that I've published, that is how to build an AI agent to auto-generate Microsoft Teams sprint updates. Okay, this is a sample video that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel with a description you can see right over here and other details. Okay, I have uploaded this video on my YouTube channel just for the test right now. Okay, so that I can show you how this AI agent will work in real time. So as I've uploaded this last video, this is the latest video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this save and send test request button and check whether the response of this video has been captured in my trigger or not. As we have received the response, if I'm going to scroll down right over here, you can see the title comes as how to build an AI agent to auto-generate Microsoft Teams sprint updates. You can see right here, this was the video that has been captured over here in our trigger, and this was the last video. This means that we have successfully connected YouTube to Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever you're going to upload a new video on your YouTube channel, automatically the trigger is going to capture the response of that. But if you do not receive the response in your trigger after uploading a new video instantly, then do not worry. YouTube is a polling based application. You can see it says 10 minutes. This is the polling duration. That is the trigger time. And every 10 minutes, whenever the new data is going to be collected by YouTube, it is going to send the data to Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes. Okay, so it might take some time if you upload a video to capture the response of that in this trigger right here. And if you want to make changes in this trigger time, go to 3 dots and set trigger time option right over here. This window is going to appear in front of you, on which the minimum trigger time is 10 minutes and the maximum is 24 hours. You can set up the trigger time according to your requirement and save it from here. After setting up our trigger step, as now we have the response of our video right here. In order for our AI agent to create the summary for the video that we have uploaded, we need to transcribe this YouTube video. And for transcribing the video, we are going to use Happy Scribe. With the help of Happy Scribe, we are going to transcribe the video that we have uploaded on our YouTube channel. Okay, for that I'm going to add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application I'm going to select it as Happy Scribe right over here. An action event over here is going to be create transcription, as now we're going to create a transcription of this video. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. It is asking for the API key and the organization ID first. For the API key, we need to enter the API key in this manner. That is, we have to add bearer right over here, space and the API key. So first of all, I'm going to copy this bearer from here and paste it in this API key. Okay. Now we have to find this key. For that, log into your Happy Scribe account. From the left side, if you could go to the email address of your account, click on it. Go to this personal settings option right here. As you go to come to personal settings, over here you can see it says API and this is the key. I'm going to copy it from here and paste it in this API key field right here. It is asking for the organization ID. This is the same organization ID right here. So I'm going to copy it from here beneath the API key and paste it over here in this organization ID field and click on this save button right here. Happy Scribe has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, firstly, it is asking for the transcription name. As we are going to create a new transcription now, what is the name of that transcription? I want to name the transcription as the name of the video, the title of the video that we have uploaded. For the data of this field, I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on the field, the previous step, that is YouTube new video in channel with video URL, is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that is captured in our previous step is going to appear in front of you. In the response, we have received the title that I'm going to search right over here. So there's a title you can see right over here, and I want to name this transcription for this title of the video. So I'm going to select the data of this transcription name from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay. After naming the transcription, it is asking language of the video. The language of the video is Indian English. To find the code for Indian English, go to this hyperlink given below, that is here. If I'm going to scroll down right over here, you can see it says English India. Okay, so I'm going to copy this language from here, language code, and paste it in this language field right here. You can select the language from here according to your requirement. the type of video that you're uploading. Next, it is asking for the media URL. Which media are we going to transcribe? For the media URL, I'm going to map the data of this URL, video URL right here, as we're going to transcribe this YouTube video. It is asking for the workspace name. For the workspace name, we are going to name it as my workspace. You can see right here, this is my workspace name. So I'm going to copy this name over here and paste it in this field. Okay. Next, it is asking for is subtitle. No, it's false. I'm going to select it as false as I do not need the subtitles for the transcription. Okay. After filling in all the required details right here, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, I've received a response in which for the state we have received it as initiate, as this transcription is initiated for this title right here. The video that I've uploaded is for the duration what? 1 minute 6 seconds. You can see right over here. Okay. So Happy Scribe is going to take how much time? It is going to take, let's suppose, exactly the double, that is 2 minutes to create the transcription. So after creating the transcription with the help of Happy Scribe, we are going to add a delay time according to the videos that we upload in this workflow. So let's suppose if you upload videos on your YouTube channel, those are for, let's suppose, 10 minutes. Okay, so you need to add the delay over here for 20 minutes. Okay, and if you, let's suppose, add videos for 20 minutes, then you just have to double the time. In this manner, we upload videos and the average length of every video is up to 1 minute 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a delay over here in my workflow for 2 minutes right here. For the action event, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a delay time. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. I'm going to add a delay for minutes, which is going to be 2 minutes right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. So it says delayed for 2 minutes. Now what is going to happen? It is going to create the transcription and this workflow is going to be stopped at this delay for the time that we are going to enter. Okay, so I'm going to wait over here for 2 minutes for Happy Scribe to transcribe the video that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. As you can see in my Happy Scribe, this is the new transcription done. This is the title. You can see how to build an AI agent to auto-generate Microsoft Teams sprint updates. You can see the transcription has now been done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an action step in this workflow, in which for my action application, I'm going to again select it as Happy Scribe right over here. An action event is going to be create export. Now we're going to create an export. We are going to take out this transcription from here. For that, add create export first. And then I'm going to click on this connect button, on which I'm going to select the existing connection. If you want, you can add a new connection from here. I'm going to click on the save button. Format, I want a PDF, so I'm going to select the format as PDF right here. For the transcription, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the date of the transcription ID that I've received in this step right here. So this is the transcription ID. I'm going to map the data right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for show timestamps. No, I don't want to do that. For the show speakers, false. Show comments, false. And lastly, show highlights is going to be false. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right here. I have done that. I have received a response in which I have received the ID of the export. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to retrieve this export. Okay. I'm going to get this export and get the PDF document transcription that we have selected. For that, add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application, again, I'm going to select it as Happy Scribe. An action event is going to be retrieve and export. Now we're going to retrieve this export that we have created and click on this connect button, on which I'm going to select this existing connection. If you want, you can add a new connection from here. Now we're going to map the date of the export ID that we have received. This is the ID. I'm going to map it and click on this save and send test request button right here. In this response, I have received the downloadable link and this is the transcription. So if I'm going to copy this link from here and open it in a new tab right over here, you can see a document has been downloaded in my computer. If I'm going to open the document, this is the transcription. Hello all, welcome back. This video we are going to learn how to build an AI agent to auto-generate Microsoft Team updates. I am an owner of a software development business and we keep the record of all our sprint tasks and progress in our Google Sheets. You can see right over here, this is the transcription of this video that we have uploaded on our YouTube channel. As the transcription has been retrieved by us, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an AI agent that is going to create the summary of this document, the transcription that we have. For that, add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application, I'm going to use OpenAI. Yes, for my AI agent, I'm using OpenAI. If you want to use any other AI platforms as your AI agent, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Okay. Action event over here is going to be extract content from PDF/image. Okay. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. connection. Then it is asking for the token with the help of which we are going to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. To have the token, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. The API keys page of your OpenAI account is then going to appear in front of you. To generate a new token, go to this create button in the top right corner. Firstly, we're going to name the key. For the name, I'm going to give it as new right here. Project is going to be default. Permissions as all. I'm going to create the token from here. Token is generated. I'm going to copy it from here and paste it in this token field and click on the save button right over here. OpenAI is connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, firstly, it is asking for me to select the AI model for which I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI model, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next, it is asking for the image or the PDF URL. For that, I'm going to map the data of this downloadable link that I have from my Happy Scribe. Okay, as I want to extract the data from this transcription document and create the summary of it. Now over here we have to enter a prompt. As now we're going to extract the data, I want to create a summary of it. I'm going to mention it in this prompt right here. Prompt is a text with the help of which we're going to ask our AI agent to generate the content according to our requirement. What all the things do we need and do not need? We have to specify everything over here in this prompt. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the prompt. You are an AI assistant. Your job is to read the transcribe of YouTube video and write a short, easy to read summary. The summary should explain the main points of the video in simple words so students can understand it quickly. Keep it short, under 50 words, and write a friendly tone. Do not add any headings or timestamps. Just write the summary like you're explaining to a friend. As I'm going to share the summary to the Telegram channel, so it should be an attractive message as well. Use emojis. Okay, so this is the prompt in which I mentioned all the things that I want and do not want. Okay, I specified all the things. I do not need the structure output field, so I'm going to skip the part, and after filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, I have received a response, which is a positive response. In the response, I have received this message content, and this is the content generated by my AI agent. In this video, you learn how to create an AI agent that automatically updates a Microsoft Teams with project progress from Google Sheets. No coding skill required, just add updates and the AI does the rest. Perfect for streamlining your team communication. You can see right over here, a summary is automatically now been generated. Now here my objective is that so as now the summary is generated, over here my objective is that to share that summary with the video link to the channel that I've created in my Telegram account to all the audience that are added in the group. Okay, so this is the group you can see right over here, and in this group I want to share the notification. For that, we're going to add an action step in this workflow, in which from action application I'm going to select it as Telegram bot right here. Action event is going to be send a text message or reply, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, and then it is asking for the token. This token is going to be our bot's token. Yes, we have to create a bot in our Telegram account first that is going to share all the updates to this channel. Okay, we are going to create the bot first. We are going to activate the bot and add that bot in this group in which we have to share the links and the summaries. Okay, so in order to create a new bot over here, we have to search for bot father. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to search for bot father right over here. You can see this is the bot father. I'm going to open this bot father from here. We are going to click on the start button to start this bot father over here. As now we're going to create a new bot, I'm going to select this /new bot right here and send that message. It says, all right, new bot. How are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So for the new name of my bot over here, I'm going to write over here as new video published. Okay, this is the bot name I want to give. Okay, so it says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this example. We have to enter this bot right here in the end. I'm going to name my bot over here as new video published only. So I'm going to copy this name, paste it right over here in the between. As we do not need any space, I'm going to add the underscore right over here, and in the end we need underscore bot as well. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right here and send this message. As I've done that, you can see it says done. Congratulations, your new bot. You will find it over here in this link, and this is the token that Pabbly Connect is asking for. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this bot that I've created. For that, go to this link right over here. This is the bot that I've created in the name of new video published. I'm going to start this bot from here. Okay, you can see this bot has now been activated. If I'm going to go back to my bot father, this is the token. I'm going to copy it and paste it in this field and click on the save button button right here. Now, as we have created the bot using bot father in our Telegram account, now what I want is I want to add this bot that I've created in this group right over here, so that this bot is going to share the notifications in this group right here. For that, I'm going to click on the name of this group, go to this option right over here, and I'm going to add a member in this group. I'm going to search for the member from here. So I'm going to search for the name, and you can see this is the bot right over here. I'm going to add this bot in this group. Okay, you can see this bot has been successfully added in this group. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this bot as an admin of this group right here. I'm going to change the status as admin in this group, and we cannot do it on the Telegram web, so I'm going to do it from my phone and to change the status of my bot as the admin of the group right here. You can see I've added the bot as an admin now. Okay, so now as we have created this bot as an admin in our group, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the messages of the summaries and the videos links in this group with the help of this bot. Okay, for that, firstly it is asking for the chat ID. For the chat ID, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Telegram account again. In the URL of this chat, you can see this is the chat ID after this hash symbol. So I'm going to copy this chat ID from here and paste it in this field right here. It is asking for the text message. So for the text message over here, I'm going to write it as, so I'm going to write over here as new video uploaded, and over here I'm going to first add the summary. And over here, firstly, I'm going to map the data of the summary that is generated by my AI agent. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data of the video link right here. This is the video URL. I'm going to map the data. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded. I don't have any message thread ID, reply to ID. So I'm going to skip the part. Disable notification is going to be no. Disable web page preview, no. I'm going to leave all the details. Parser mode is going to be HTML. I do not require all the other details, so I'm going to skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Telegram account. And yes, you can see right over here, a new message has been forwarded. It says new video uploaded. In this video, you can see this is the short summary of the video with the video link. Okay. And this is the same video that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can see right here. Okay. So as now a message has been automatically forwarded on my Telegram group, this means that we have successfully created this AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum till now what we have done, the trigger is YouTube new video channel in video URL. As soon as a new video is going to be uploaded, automatically the trigger is going to capture the response of that. Using Pabbly Script, we're going to create the transcription of the video. As the transcription is going to be created, exported and retrieved, automatically an AI agent, that is OpenAI extract content from PDF image, is going to extract the data from the transcription document, create the summary of it and give us the content. As the summary is generated, automatically that summary has been forwarded as a message using Telegram bot, send a text message or reply to our Telegram channel directly to our audience with the video link. And this is how I've created this amazing AI agent to share YouTube video summaries on Telegrams using Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.